Let's get to the heart and soul of what an option actually is, because chances are you've already done a deal just like one without realizing it. At its core, an option is simply an agreement between two people. One person has something and the other wants it. Simple as that. Here's an analogy to bring it to life. Imagine a landowner has their property listed for sale at $500,000. A buyer comes along showing interest, and the landowner makes an unusual offer. I'll give you the right to buy this land for $500,000 in 12 months, no matter how high the price goes. The buyer can't believe it. Lock in today's price, but wait 12 months? If the land shoots up in value, they still buy at $500,000. That sounds risk-free. Not so fast, says the landowner. I'm the one taking the risk here. I could be forced to sell at a discount if prices rise. So if you want this contract, you'll need to pay me $20,000 for it. The buyer thinks it over. $20,000 is real money, and it's gone if they walk away. But if the land jumps 10% or more in 12 months, it could pay off handsomely. They agree, and the contract is signed. The $20,000 is non-refundable. It does not count toward the purchase price. That is exactly what an option contract is. The buyer holds the right to call away the land. Land rises to $600,000. Buyer exercises, buys at $500,000, sells immediately. $100,000 profit, minus the $20,000 paid. That's an $80,000 gain on a $20,000 outlay. Full profit exposure, minimal upfront outlay. That's the buyer's edge. Land drops to $440,000. Buyer simply walks away. Maximum loss is the $20,000 premium. That's it. Now let's flip it. The same landowner is worried prices are about to crash. Their land has been sitting on the market for months and they're growing nervous. When that same buyer comes around, the landowner opens differently. I'll pay you $20,000 to make a deal with me. You agree to buy my land for $500,000 in 12 months, but only if the market value is at or below $500,000. If prices are higher than that, just keep the $20,000 and we'll go our separate ways. The landowner is putting money down for protection. This is the put option. Land drops to $400,000. The landowner exercises, sells for $500,000, walks away with $480,000 net. Land holds above $500,000, the contract expires, and the landowner loses only the $20,000 but keeps their land. The put option is insurance against a crash. That agreed price of $500,000, the number the entire contract revolves around, is called the strike price. Strikes further from the market price are inherently cheaper. The longer a contract runs, the more expensive it becomes because what happens in time is not known. If you would like to try it out for yourself, take it for a test drive on the Passive Nomad Simulator. It's the most user-friendly tool on the web for replaying market history. Choose your expirations and watch how premium decay and volatility spikes impact your position in real time. Free to use, cutting-edge tech, even includes 0 days to expiry simulations. This is where theory meets reality.